Hi guys, so this is the diaper cake that I was sharing that I was gonna make, and so I made it already. I think it's about half of the, I don't know, maybe 130 something Pampers, but it's only like that one bag, and then the other remaining bag I just put it in that big like, what do you call that, a gift bag. A big gift bag. So I used the Tonic train for the decoration and their carousel, but I'm thinking of making another one, but with this paper pad and paper, instead of this one, but I think they look nice together, but we'll see. So I still have more time for the event, but so far this is how it looks, and I will just have to cover it up so that it won't accumulate dust. And for the inserts, I just put baby socks, and what else, these are like baby bibs, just like in the middle because there's gap. And what I did was I used the Pampers carton and cut it a little bit bigger than the cake, you know, to hold it. Oh, and I use a tube to support, so it's sturdy, so when I carry it, it doesn't, you know, fall. And then I also use a ribbon and crepe paper to tie, kind of making it look like a cake. And yeah, that's what I made so far. And oh, this is a bib, I just folded it. And like, you know, the chewy toy, I just removed the package, but it fits there. And then what is this? Oh, like a water toy. Yeah, and it fits there. It looks so cute, like it's looking like this one is a turtle. Yeah, it's a water toy. So yeah, that's what I made for this Tonic Studio choo-choo train and the carousel for the baby shower. It's a baby boy. There you go.